it's a Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the gang. I hope you guys love this video enough to want to subscribe. Today I am going to be doing a hair review for Westkiss. If that name sounds familiar, yes, I did do a review for them last year and they contacted me again recently to do a review, and I didn't want any like black hair because I'm really kind of over the natural color hair. A lot of companies only want to send you that. So I was really happy that Westkiss was very flexible with me. They were really willing and ready to work with me, and they sent me over this beautiful like 99J color, which is pretty much a burgundy. Absolutely love it. If you guys want to know how I curled my hair like this and got this look, then definitely continue watching because I'm going to show you guys step by step how I got, my baby hairs to look like this, how I got my curls and all of this volume in my hair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this hair tutorial. Okay, you guys, so I have my wig over here. Hello. Papa's in the background. Y'all know how he likes to chill in the back, so hey. But yeah, so this is my wig right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off the mannequin head. I did pluck the hairline and everything, but I did not bleach the knots on this unit because the frontal came in this like 99J color, which is basically burgundy. So I have 2.5 bundles in this unit, and then of course a frontal. This is a hand sewn unit that I made. This isn't like a wig that they sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on with the lace and everything just to get a feel for it. So let's see what it's looking like. I haven't tried it on yet, so this is my first time putting it on since I made it and everything. Okay. I probably should play it a little more, but it's not terrible. Okay, so this is the wig on. It's like a really like dark burgundy color. Once I, get my hairline and everything together, of course my wig cap and stuff, but the fit is nice. This is how full it is and where it's hitting me. I do like how full this unit is so far. I did have like a little bit of extra hair left over, but this color looks so freaking good on me. I'm not even gonna lie. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of here, put the foundation underneath, put the foundation on my wig cap, and then when we come back, I'm gonna go ahead and press it all out with you guys. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied my unit. So this is what we're looking like. I am going to go ahead and add baby hair in certain parts, and I'm going to, oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. I already love it. I haven't even styled it yet. So I don't want to take all the volume out of here because I do like how voluminous this is, but I am going to take some of it out, just a little, just like on the roots or whatever, just a little. Okay, you guys, so I added a little bit of baby hair to my unit, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. I already like the volume that's in my hair, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to curl it with my curling wand that I have not been preheating. Great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a couple of sections and we're just going to curl them under. And I am going to use clips, so I have a bunch of these silver clips here so that we can give our hair that volume and keep that volume that we already have. So I'm just going to take a couple of sections like such. And I'm going to start from here, the very edge of my hair. And I'm going to get some of my hairspray. This is the Argan Oil, Moroccan oil. Y'all know that one. Basically, it's that in a form of a hairspray. And this is a brushable hairspray, so we don't have to worry about our hair being stiff or anything like that. So I'm going to leave that front piece alone for the most part. And then I'm just going to hold the hair out and I'm going to spray like from here. Papa, move. Get down. Because I don't want to spray him with this spray. Normally, I just let him stay there because that's his little spot. So anyway, come from back here. You want to be far away when you spraying hairspray. Because if you spray up too close, then you know. Ooh, and I love this hairspray because it smells so freaking good.
Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby, why the sudden change? Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady. Calling me baby, if no one is around. Say my name, around you, if no one is around.
So we have all of our, you know, curls in. Everything is nicely pin curled with these clips or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit, and then I will be back once everything has cooled, and then I'm ready to take it down and reveal it with you guys. Okay, you guys, so I am back. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this side out first, since this was the first side that we did. Just pulling out the clamps and just letting it fall naturally. Take them out. Boom. Okay, so we got this side. And just start pulling them back like that. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. I can tell. So then this side I'm kind of scared to take down right now, because I'm just like, I don't know if it's gonna be fully curled how I want it to be. Let me see after this curl. Yeah, it might be ready actually. I mean, they're all cool, so. And then this one is the last one. Okay, so this is all of our curls. Okay, I need to fix my baby hair right here. Where's my gel? So now this side, I have this comb, but I don't know if I want to use a comb or if I just want to use my fingers, which I might just use my fingers and do this. So I'm just gonna pull my fingers backwards and then just let it fall naturally. Oh, that is so pretty. It's so pretty. Boom. Do y'all even see this amazingness? So excited. Excuse me. It's all blurry. Okay, that's better. Now you guys can see me better. Let's see. Bam. So now this side, same thing. Get my fingers and then just pull it all back. Look, absolutely love this hair. Now, like I told you guys in my previous video, anytime you curl your hair, you always want to try to use like body wave, especially if you want to get this kind of look. If you use straight hair, I don't believe that your hair is going to curl like this. It's just freaking gorgeous, honestly. Like, it's so pretty. It has so much sheen in it, and I didn't put any hair sheen. I didn't even put heat protectant spray in my hair. Oops, I forgot to actually. But yeah, all I did was I used this spray, which Papa done made his comeback. But yeah, all I did was use this spray. I will leave it down below, but that's pretty much it. Other than that, this hair already has its own natural like luster to it, and it's just so pretty and bouncy. I just feel like, well, you know who I look like right now? If anybody watches Greenleaf, the pastor's wife on Greenleaf, like I feel like a pastor's wife right now. Maybe that's what I need, a pastor. Anyway, but yeah, you guys, I'm obsessed with this hair. I didn't cut any layers in it either. This is just how the hair is just falling. This is all 16 inches, so I have in 3 bundles of 16-inch, and then I have a 16-inch frontal. Like I said, this hair is from West Kiss. If you guys have not tried West Kiss hair, you guys should definitely check it out. I have worked with them previously in the past, so I am just, you know, honored to be working with them again, because child, their hair is bomb. Like, look at this. And also, one thing that I really liked about this frontal was that it came pre-plucked, and because it is already pre-colored, I didn't have to dye the hair. I really like that the unit came pre-plucked, so when it came to customizing the frontal, I really didn't have to do that much. I plucked it a little bit. I didn't have to like pluck out a whole bunch of hair. This color is the same all the way through. Absolutely love this color, especially if you are of like a deeper skin tone. I feel like colors like this really complement us very well. Like, look. It just goes so perfectly with our skin tone. I'm loving it. What? Oh, you like it? Oh. My mom likes my hair, you guys. She ain't gonna come out because she look crazy right now. She over there in the cut talking about, oh my God, I love it. see the
look at
thumb.
your pretty face.
Yeah, but I'm all like,
Oh, you know what I like? I like that it's focused straight on you. I can walk around the house.
Yeah.
I was scared to come over here. I thought I was gonna take my picture.
oh, no, you're fine. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Definitely leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on this color. Do you like this color? Is it something that you would wear? Do you think it looks good on, you know, darker skin tones? Or what do you think about it? Let me know down in the comment section down below, and I will join you guys in the discussion later. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Why you being a dickhead fool? Stop being a dickhead.
Oh, I hate when I think I'm recording and I'm freaking not recording anything.
Oh. Dang, that whole time.
No, just right now.
Oh.
Get down, Papa. Get down. Get down. Come on. Down. Get down off the couch. He putting a dent in the dang on couch already.
God, Cookie. That hair.
I knew he was gonna like this one because this is your color.
I can't wear that hair color with the work that I do.
I love this hairspray because it smells so freaking good. And then, oh shit. Oh my god, I done dropped everything. Thought I'm dropping everything. Everything.
She said, I'm so impressed with your daughter. I didn't know. You never know what people do.
Because I mean, I don't just like blast it to the world, you know, but if people ask, then, you know, I'll say, well,